Hello everyone. Today I show you a easiest method to simulate 80C51 microcontroller program using Keil Microvision software. It is very useful software and you can download is student version or experimental version where the code limit is 2K. It is enough for testing purpose. Otherwise you can purchase this license. It cost about 1 lakh. So I show you how you use the simple process to simulate your 89C51 microcontroller program. To download this program, you have to go Google and type Keil Keil Software. Now search keil.com Embedded Development Toolkit. Now go to the download and select the product download. Then click C51. Look at it is written development tools for all 8051 devices. So just click on it. Now click C51 version 960A exe. Just click it. So the download automatically start. It is about 91 MB. So it will take time. Not only so, it is download 30 20 second left. So we wait for it. After downloading these softwares, you can run for running 4 GB RAM is sufficient to test this program. Let the download is complete. First we install it. The installation process already start since I use the Windows. Install anyway. Then software created by ARM. Yes, there is no other options. If you say the no, then the installation not complete. So look at the installation is start. Go to the next. If it is asks your company name, then write your organization name, first name, last name, company name, email address, then click the next. So start installing. It takes 1 minute to complete this process. It depends on your RAM. I already mentioned that 4 GB RAM is sufficient. So what are the applications of this software? So before, so it take few moment. Okay, so the installation is complete. Now finish it. Now it will open the release note. You may read this release note. There are so many example is here. Now go to your desktop. Look at This is the install software. Now click on it. So already a demo is here. So I just show you the steps. So first you go to the project, that is first, second, third, fourth button, project. Now click the project, click on new Microvision project, click on it. Now you save, give a file name. Okay, I give the file name test1, not cap, test. Save it. Now you have to choose the file, the microcontroller. I select 89C51, 89C51, 80 is for Atmel. Click on OK. Start copy S5, you can say no, not an issue. So look at the source button is empty. So your project is PPR. Now you have to add the code. So for that purpose, click on File. So first step, project. Now I select the file, then click New. Then I type the code here. So like this is the code which already I typed and just paste here. What is the code? The first step is that has include rg51.h. This is the header file. You have to write this header file. Then set pin. So declare a variable type for p1.0. p1.0 is written like that, p1 cap 0. So this indicates port 1, pin number 0. Then this is the main program. So first you have to initialize this port using S-bit pin. So it indicates that port 1 0 pin is set, means only this port pin is activated. And this is the main program. Now instead of written p1.0, we say that the p1, that is for clear port p1 0x00, means all pins are 0. Now tmod for timer 0 as 16-bit timer. Then we start the loop TL0 0AF, then TH0 0 cross 3C. So this is count 5 0 0 0. So 0 will be overflow. You can change this value. Then pin value become 1. Then again the start timer. This is the while loop conditions. And again they reload the count. So main portion that include header file, set the pin, then write the main, and this is the main code. So it is look like C, that's why it is called embedded C. Now you save this text file as our experiment we call test. So this is the code for test1.c. You can give any name, but the extension C is important. C indicates that it is C files. There are two types of file: assembly level files, which indicate .asm, and C. Our code is written in C. You can see cap C or small c. So your program .c is set. Now you have to add this .c into this project. So click on the add group. You remove or see the performance of this code. You have to enter into the debugging mode. So for debugging mode, before look at the peripherals, it is inactive. Now you start debugging D. Okay. Now debugging start. We use port 1.0. So our peripherals IO port 1.0 means it's a fall under port 1. So select the port 1. Look at it is in stop conditions. Now click on the logic analyzer. This is analysis window. Okay. So in analysis window, we have to set up the port. So first click on the setup. Our setup is P 1.0. So to set up the logic analyzer signals, click here. Okay. Click here. New insert. So our objective to see the port 1. So I write capital P 1.0 port 1 0. Now is set, entered. So port 1 is select, close. Now run this program by pressing F5 or click here. Now program is run. Now zoom this logic window. You set it here. Okay. So the logic window is already zoomed. Now you check the output. Okay. So this is the output window. Now your output is analog or digital. Obviously digital. So you have to change this by display type, make it state. So look at, so it's become the state 0 1 0 1. Or if you change it as a bit, then it will show the bit. So you can zoom it. You can zoom it to check the state. Means it create a square pulse. So the purpose of this program to create a square pulse to check the pin 1.0. It is on off on off on off. 0 means off, tick means 1 on. So in this way you can test this program. To close it, just click on the stop debugging. So program will stop. Thank you.